quiz what the game is. You know it clearly. You're much less than what you are truly. Unless you don't go in the ring, how do you know the level of your game? When the sharp blade makes you tweeze, everybody is waiting for your little wheeze. You have to pass by the pain, the root, the worst, every possible city where you can measure your peculiarity. The day when you will feel more than the reflection in the mirror, you will win yourself. But the problem is, you don't know what the game is. Thank you. Thank you so much.